ThinkZone India Micro Entrepreneurs in Education Fellowship is a program for young people of the under-resourced community to implement primary and pre-primary education programs across the country.
Through this program, we identify, skill, certify, and equip youth to run learning centers in their own community. The fellows are provided with offline and online workshops to enhance multiple skills like communication, problem solving, which help them in availing job opportunities. To equip them for their learning centers, we provide them with access to our technology platform and teaching learning resources. In the last 3 years, we have seen considerable differences in the teaching style of the fellows. We have also witnessed a significant improvement in the learning outcomes of children at their own centers.
पूरा सरल केमिति पिला माने बुझी परिबे सेटा आप देखि जानि पछ जे ई सरल रे बुझेले से माने बुझी परिबे थिंकजोन जो सपोर्ट करची मते पाठ पढिबा रे नजरा लोकल मना सहित कथा वार्ता केमिति करिबी सेटा भी भलो कि जानि पछ.
The young micro-entrepreneurs are now becoming change agents to inculcate a spirit of education and entrepreneurship in the region.